Hi friends, welcome back to your English Linguist, where we have fun learning every day. Today, we're learning the phonics sounds of the letter U. The letter U can make several different sounds in English, depending on its position in a word, surrounding letters, and spelling patterns. Here are the main phonics sounds of U. Let's start. One. Short U. Sounds like ah. This is the most common sound for the letter U. You hear it in simple, short words. Examples: sun, cup, bus. 2. Long U. Sounds like U or oo. U can also make a long sound, and there are two versions of it. A. Sounds like U. You'll hear this sound at the beginning of words, or after certain consonants. Examples: unicorn, use, unit. B. Sounds like oo, spelled U. This happens when U is followed by a silent E, or in longer words. Examples: flute, June, rule. 3. Schwa sound. A soft R in unstressed parts. Sometimes, the letter U doesn't make a strong sound at all. It just makes a quiet R sound, especially when it's not the main part of the word. Examples: support, supply, surprise. 4. Short oo sound, spelled U, like in push. This is a less common sound, but you'll still find it in a few everyday words. Examples: push, pull, bush. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.